Welcome to day 89 of my podcast on sustainability. Today I'd like to discuss the canary in the coal mine effect. So, over a century ago, although it's completely inappropriate by today's standards, they used to send a canary into a coal mine. If the canary came out alive, then they knew it was safe to go into this coal mine. Move forward to today. There is a canary in the coal mine effect on uh, sea level rise. So, in recent years, Venice, for example, that has been around for hundreds and hundreds of years, originally set up as a safe haven from other forces on the mainland of Europe. So the residents set up there, and they got used to a very consistent world weather pattern, meaning that uh, it the flooding was usually low level, and the uh, the times where the water level wasn't that high wasn't that big an effect. However, in recent years, it consistently floods, and currently it is going through a lack of water in the canals, which obviously poses potential health risks as well. So, another example of the canary in the coal mine effect is the Pacific Islands, where many Pacific Islands nations are now losing their island to sea level rise. The high tides become higher, the lower tides also become higher, and many Pacific Island leaders believe that their islands will be lost to the sea in one generation. So, although the city you live in may not necessarily be that affected right now, just be mindful that this eventually will affect us all unless we take action now.